Wanna know how to check your AI bot in Dola AI? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you can do is you can just simply open up dola.com on your web browser. So just simply type in dola.com or just simply open up the application itself. So we have also created a video on how to install or download Dola on your phone or your PC itself, so make sure to watch that. So once you've done all of that, seeing your bot that you had created, it's super simple. So what you need to do is on the left side, you should be seeing this menu right here. If it's not, you can just simply select this hide bar and then just simply select AI bot right here. It's simply on the left side. So now once you're on the left side, you should be seeing various options. Now on the top right side, you should be seeing my bots right here. So you can just simply select that. So now once you have selected my bots, here you should be seeing your current bots that should be available. So you have to create it if you don't have any, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.